How we can click on buildings in Unity? This is our game environment. We want to place an interactable button above a building. First thing to do is creating an image. So right click and create an image from UI section. Now click image twice to see its location. This image must be placed exactly on building. The trick to make it easier is to put render mode on a screen space camera. Give camera to it. Now canvas and image size is exactly like camera. If we let render mode be on screen space camera, your image will move as we move camera, and we don't want this happens. We want it to be stable. So set render mode on border space. This makes canvas and its child stay in fixed position. Pay attention, if you have a lot of buildings to click on, make canvas size bigger. Now let's go for the image. Select it and set its position on desired position on building. Now change its image. In UI, if you want to change the scale so the image fits and doesn't get messed up like mine, make sure to check these two boxes. Take a duplicate from your image, make it its subsets, and now change its icon. This is the final result. With this mode, you can create buttons for as many buildings as you want. In this game we have camera angle is always fixed. If your game camera is fixed, there is no problem. But if your camera angle changes, you should use look@. command. Then give that script to canvas, which we thought it before. Now how we can click this button? So simple. Select the button and add the button component to it. If you wanted to run a command from a script, for example, you only need to create a script, give it to a game object, and in it define a public void. In it write a print command to understand it's executing. Now you just need to give game object to button, and then select a script and define a void. Done. Now every time we click the button, the command we wrote in void executes, and the camera location does not matter. If you wanted to place a text below button, again, create a new image. Give it its image, change its dimensions, and create a text below it. And this is the final result. Now, how to open a new page? Don't lose next tutorial. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.